welcome back to another one of my videos. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make some very simple carrots, okay, made out of fondant icing to go on top of your carrot cakes. Alright, all you need is some white fondant icing, and we dye it orange, a bit orange and a bit green, okay, that's all you need, and a little knife, and that is it. I'm going to show you how to make them. They're very simple. You can make some smaller ones, you can make some bigger ones, and they will keep. You put them, let them dry out, and then you can put them on your carrot cakes whenever you like, rather than paying loads of money in a shop for these little carrots that they do in a tub that cost a fortune. Make your own. Okay, right, I'm going to show you how to make them. Right, here's me colours. Okay, I'm just going to break off a little baby bit. Depends how big you want your carrots to be. So you can make them as small or as big as you like. We're going to make it into like a tear shape. Okay, so we thin the end out, one end. Okay, until we get sort of a little point on the end, and then we round the other end off, so you get sort of that sort of shape. Okay, and then we put it down and shape it a little bit. Right, and what we do now, we get the knife and we just put some lines across the carrot. Okay, so you get that sort of effect. Right, next we get a little bit of green, just a little bit. You roll it into a little sausage. Right, so you've got a little sausage, and then what we do, we pinch the middle. So you're pinching the middle and you're making two leaves. Okay, shape your leaves a little bit, point them out. You can bend them over a little bit so you get sort of that. And then what we do now is just to put it on the top of our carrot, and then we have that. Simple as that. Do not go out and spend loads of money on making carrots for your carrot cakes. They're very simple. I'll show you one more time. Okay, pull off a little bit of orange, point one end. Okay, round off the other end. So you've got sort of a tear shape. Right, put it down. You can make them flat or you 3D. And if you want flat carrots, then obviously flatten them out a bit more. Mine are slightly 3D. Okay, so you get that sort of shape again. And then we're going to put some lines. And remember, not all carrots are the same. Very boring if they all look the same. Right? They will do if you buy them in the shop. They will be done, all done by machine. They're all going to look the same. And they're not very cheap. Again, make your little leaf, roll out a little sausage, fold it in half, shape your leaves a little bit, give them a little bit of a pointed edge. You can bend them over, you can, okay, and then we stick them on the end of our carrot. So if they don't stick to your carrot, you can always put some edible glue. Alright, most of the time they stick, but you can leave them to dry and then you can put them on your carrot cake or whatever else you'd like to put them on. You end up with loads of little carrots. Okay, so you make them as big or as small as you want. They're great for carrot cakes or anything else you want to put them on. If you're doing something Eastery, they're great for that too, or Harvest Festival or anything like that, they're great for. Okay, hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a go. They're very simple to make, and have fun. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now. Bye 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 bye.